Um, I, I thought it was going to go better than it did. It sort of climbed. I bought in at 65, 627 and went up a little bit. I put my stop loss at 580. Um, and it sort of climbed and then went down. I looked, I got a minute. So
Oh,
I closed it I made 6 points. What the
oh,
heck?
okay. All
And
right. Okay.
then it went up another 10, but
Oh,
it
okay.
looks like it's going into range slightly higher, I think. Whereas that Oz US, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Aussie US. Yeah, Aussie US. That's
Yeah,
very, very good.
now it's dropping again. Yeah, okay. What
Yes.
that on?
So
Oh, you got that
that's
on 1 hour chart. Oh, yeah.
yeah. So let me quickly go back to because I would like you to have like right decision to make even after I finish this session. You'll be able to check this market and okay, what's happening in the market. So always, always, always. I think this was my yellow line, which is a very strong, key level. That's what I'm teaching you today. How to find out this area of confluence, which means area of value or area of interest that market is doing something at that particular time and location, like time and location. So you can see timing and the location. So this location is highly, highly, highly respected. So we'll be able to see what will happen in the future if we come back here. Look, market has not done anything because market went past through. It was a couple of days. I'm in a daily chart right now. What I'll do is I'll stop. I'll take everything off. Yeah. So this was the buying position. Obviously, you can see this is a this candle was the good sign of buying because I
Mm.
was watching this market and look at that. If you had bought from here, that's for how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Market has been buying, but it's not that significant move like this candle. You can see this candle is highly, highly huge, right? This is a momentum candle. So this was a very good momentum candle. This is you can see this is a highly respected zone, which is area of confluence, area of confluence. Another area of confluence market. Why didn't it pass through? I don't know. Because that was respected. There are many, many sellers waiting here to
Mm.
sell the
Mm.
market, right? Same here, there are many, many sellers waiting. So same thing, if you see this chart here, right? Why this market has to come down a little bit here today? So today, like it's kind of was buying for a little while.
Mm.
Look at this now. Today's chart, you can see it has to sell a little while. It has to have that red candle. Then probably market will come here and it will suit to buy. Again, probably don't look below this line for now because this is again, market will do again same thing. When it comes here, you should not buy from here for a little while. Market has to come down and probably buy again. So when it break through, pass through this line, market has to do something and again buy it. So this is how the market structure is made. Structure probably is you already have got idea, like if buying is always has to, this resistance has to come and make support here and then again it will buy. Same thing here, but sometime market will not come to the same level. It will just, yes, yes, please, yes, then.
Yeah, and this is something that you've shown me many times, and it seems that every time the market breaks a resistance or a support, it comes back for a moment when if it breaks resistance, then the sellers are just fighting back. If it breaks support, the buyers are fighting back, unless you get a massive liquidity move, which happens in minutes,
It happened.
and the buyers are just the other side is just overwhelmed, and then it'll come back again after. But there always seems to be a comparable retracement. So if it really goes a massive bull or two or three or four bull candles, then it'll come back down. If it goes massive down, it'll come back up maybe about a third or even a half or more. Seems to be that seems to be the pattern. Would you agree with that?
True. Yes.
Okay.
100%. 100%. Yes. That's what I mean. Exactly. You got what I'm sharing right now.
Okay.
Absolutely. Look, you can see right here. Yeah, market went pushed down all the way through. Like it pressed through that. It's supposed to like this structure is supposed to be selling, right? When you see this in three hours candle, even you go to 4 hour candle, it will be not much difference. So when you saw this long wick candle, which is you can see this is a hammer, right? It's
Yeah.
a very strong buying pressure. Like, okay, market wanted to push through, but you know that buyers are already sitting there, so they push the market through all the way through, make the handle, which is this candle, into the hammer. So
I
once
think that was the one I ignored.
oh yes, even
Because it's Friday at what time? It was Friday about 2 o'clock, I think. And the next candle started red, and I thought, cracker, I'm selling. Even though I looked at it going, that is a massive buying signal. But the next candle started red and then just turned around and went the wrong way.
see, yeah, I know. Even look, you always, I think, even you have that kind of understanding that market may do, but still you take a decision, because I think we are, as a human being, our mind will always take you to the wrong place. Seriously, I have experienced that myself. Your mind will take you to the wrong place, so you always have to say, mm-mm, come on, I can see what market is doing. I don't have to listen to your mind. Don't listen to your mind, listen to your market, like what market is doing right now. So I will quickly share what market is doing right now in our 4-hour candlestick. So this has been a very strong, of course, resistant for now. Since market was buying for a little while, yeah, this was a kind of very good market, structure. You can see higher highs and higher lows. So always see what is this market structure means. This is higher highs and higher low. That's what I'm teaching you. Area, finding this area of confluences. For example, number one is here. Look, yes, why market was selling. When you see this line, okay, let's see, for 8 hours market was buying, and there is another candlestick which is a very good. You can even see that's a really evening star. It's evening star. You can see, and market pushed through at least for I don't know how many hours, but it's 4-hour candlesticks, probably a day or two, and then after that again try to came, um, couldn't pass through, but another was it's a fake move. So exactly from here, it was a fake move. Market was trying to sell, but there were buyers already sitting over here. Then push all the way through. So this is the momentum we want to catch through. Okay, probably even you enter here, because when there is a huge selling pressure, remember that there is a buying. Immediately there will be buying as well. So whenever there is a huge selling pressure, there will be you still can enter for, that's called kind of counter trade trading, like counter trend. Like counter means market is going downwards for now, but you are trading against the trend. That's why you can't stay in the market for so long. But you still can trade. You still can trade. Remember that market will make three kind of moves. Number one is, like it's downtrend, of course. That is nicely moving. One is uptrend, and the other one is like it will not do nothing. It will do nothing. It will like
Right.
range, right? It will be just staying in the same place. Not, this was a ranging market for a little while. You can see, I'll quickly share with you. This is a ranging market now. So why it is ranging? Number one, probably it has to break through and make another higher high. This is a new high. If it couldn't break through, probably if it can't break through, what will happen is market has to make a new lower low. So it will come down. So for a while, your, as a trader, your responsibility is to find that key level, and probably if it doesn't go through here, it is making kind of giving you a signal. Okay, I have morning star coming through. This is a morning star. You can say this is a morning star buying there, and again, I can see right now, I don't know what will market do because I'm not the market maker, but as when I see these kind of candles, one, two, three. So it has to come a little bit down. Seriously, now it has to come a little bit down because there is a follow through candlestick. You can see 4 hours, three red candles. Three red candles. The market has to come a little bit down. And then from probably from this resistance has to make a small support and it has to buy. Then you can enter the market to buy. But as of now, what you can look at from the market is literally watch the market. I mean, it is another very good experience to watch the market, what it will do. Oops, what did I do? Oh no, okay, sorry. Yeah, so if that's why never enter the market when there is a, like, never enter the market when there is some kind of, if you could have entered here, and that is a good opportunity for you to sell. Look, it
That
sold
looks
off
like a
actually.
tweezer, doesn't it?
Yeah, so it's already it's 20 pips down, which is not too bad. I think if your one lot size means $200 already in your pocket, $200 in your pocket. But market is still in a consolidation mode. It's not giving you a proper significant move. So this was a significant move, which was I don't know if it was 2 days or it was probably yesterday's move, yesterday night move. Yeah, it was in the morning. Yeah, it was yesterday's move. 15 minute, I'm in a 15-minute chart. So market hasn't made like it's there is no significant move right now. So when market will stay in one place for a little while, remember that they're accumulating those liquidity. So they are accumulating those pressure, which is probably the
Mm,
bank. We have no idea what they are doing, but
yeah.
looking at the candlestick, you will be able to find out, okay, if it will make some kind of pattern. That pattern sometimes they are false as well, they are not 100% accurate. So when you see this kind of structure, which is kind of consolidation, not much move is happening, it is one reason why it's happening is, number one, if market is making this was a high. You can see this was the top of the mountain, I would say always. And then market couldn't break through, market came down and it broke. It's another high here, and now it's literally it's going downwards. Means reason why it's happening is probably, yes, please. Yes, then.
Yeah, sorry, I'm just looking at, you've got a trend line there. Now, if you take the trend line, where are we? Go back to the last resistance, last support.
Oh yeah,
Just
this is a very small, yeah,
no, no,
very
no, no, no. Just the previous one. Just the very previous one, about 3 hours earlier.
oh, okay.
Go to the, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
here,
good.
here, okay. You mean this one?
No, no, no. Come back. Come forward in time.
Oh, okay.
Come forward to where you keep changing the chart. Right, now stop there.
Okay, yes, tell me.
Now, if we go to the very last one, about where are we? That's a 15-minute chart. No, it's a 30-minute
30
chart.
minutes, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Come back down. Come down. I can't see it now. You've taken it away.
Okay, yeah,
Other way. Other way. There. Now, what
yeah.
I see, the trend line right there is going up, is rising upwards, but the
Mm,
resistance line is falling down, and they are going to meet in about, oh, if they didn't stop, they would meet in about maybe 3 hours, 4 hours time, sort of thing. So
mm.
that to me says at some point it's going to break out of there. The resistance and the support, or the support and the resistance, are getting so close here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Has to move. It's got to do something.
True.
Does it do something, or does it just range? Does it just range in a really small bracket?
Okay, you mean um what you said was, in my understanding, I don't know if I got your question or whatever the explanation right. You mean when
No,
it is falling,
extend your trend line. Take that trend line, the support line, and extend it a bit further.
or you mean the
Now,
upward?
now take the resistance lines. Those three circles you've made. Take
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
resistance line and from the first circle on the left.
Yeah, you mean this
No,
one
no,
you
no,
talk?
no. Leave that one. Leave that
Okay,
one.
yeah,
Now the top one, make a new line. Right.
okay.
The first resistance, the one on the left.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that one. And do that trend line, the resistance trend.
Okay, okay. I know what you mean. Okay, no worries. Yeah, yeah, I'm going to do that now. Where is my okay, what is it? What are you, my trend line? Okay, here we go.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
you mean you're talking about
Oh
this,
no,
right?
see, yeah,
Yeah.
they're meeting there
Mm,
in
mm,
maybe a few hours' time.
mm-hmm.
If you go to that point, it'll tell you what time. If you go to the point where they cross over with the two trend lines, yes, that's going to
Yes.
be 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Now, it's not going to get to that. At some point before then, it's got to break one way or the other, is what I think. Now, is that,
100%.
or
100%.
will it just range?
Yes, 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 that's correct. No, no, no. Very true. So this is a long-term trend, again, very good understanding. I love the way you explain. Yes, that's what yes. This is a long-term trend and this is a short-term because market is pulling back, which is, like it has to do some correction because otherwise it will be in overbuying position, overbuying because market cannot always buy and market cannot always sell. It has to
Yeah.
buy and sell, buy and sell. So at this point, we bought, actually it was overbought position. We came down, we tried to buy again, no, couldn't break through. We are lower low now. And another one, we try to break this line, but now we are making a kind of sloping downward, which is, it's a, you can already see the market structure has been breaking now. And the trend line, which is a short term, like long term buying position, which is buying pressure, it's broken. It's coming. So it has to either come down here, this line, and then it will make a kind of signal, like it will give you a signal to buy. So that's why in the market, then what I suggest you to look at is, are you looking to sell the market or you are looking to buy the market? Your mindset should be very transparent and clear that I will not do, or I will not buy the market until and unless market will come in this level and do some kind of, give me a signal. So this was a signal. I'll quickly show you. This is a signal. Even in a 15-minute chart, there was a support, another support. See the line. It tried to break through, but there is a doji candle came through, right? Doji, you can say doji or pin bar, whatever you say. I will take, this is a long wick doji. So here we go. And then engulf candle. This bullish engulf candle was a good significant signal for me to buy. Yeah, I can buy from here. Easy peasy. Stop loss right here. A little bit of slow.
So do you
And
buy at the next candle? So you wait for the end of that engulf candle, or once that candle's on play?
look,
See,
if
this is where I have trouble, is where do I actually start to buy from? Because I look at that going, it's rising, it's rising. Is it going to drop?
oh no.
I'm
Okay, so
waiting
that's
for the higher, for yeah,
okay, makes
the
sense
higher
now.
low.
Yeah. I understand high low. Look, it's up to you. It's your style, right?
Hmm.
Look, when you go to the 15-minute chart, you'll be able to see. Okay, let me quickly can bring this chart smaller. Yeah, there was a doji and you found the engulf candle. That was a good buying signal for you. So for
Hmm.
example, if you saw that, your mindset should be like, okay, there was a resistance this side. It became a support, and then another support is forming in the market. Means rather than selling, because again, I would say that to you, when there is a significant selling pressure happening in the
Hmm.
when market is in a highly bullish market, it is a highly bullish market for now.
Hmm.
It is really a highly bullish market. So when market is buying, or when there was a small resistance, drop down hugely, and now the signal is okay, rather than looking to sell position because market is overall buying, then you're going to buy. You'll find, I think you said that I'm having a trouble to find or entry signal, or where to hit that entry level. Okay, oops, again gone. Okay, here I'll quickly give that example today. So
When
that's,
we look at this thing, let's just go back to the end of that chart, to the current moment. I see that's broken through. That's almost gone to the next support.
yes. And it has to probably, it will go up to here. This make, because when there is a significant selling pressure, we don't want to really look for the buy position right now. It melted down and
Hmm.
we don't know how long, how far it will come down. And but if there is a selling pressure again, sorry, if there is a buying pressure, this is a kind of a smaller move in the market, smaller move in the market, just to make the correction. But if you are a buyer, okay, I would like to look for the buying position. What I want you to do is, because this is a support, another support level. This was a resistance, and we make a support. Look, I want you to have a very close look in even a 5-minute chart, even 15-minute chart, half an hour. So market will have to do something what it did right here,
Yeah.
something like what it did here. So here, something like this. But if it break through, it will continue to probably go to the another key level, which is here, which is probably it is here. But when there is kind of a weak formation, weak is forming. Yeah, look like market is selling right now. The reason behind that is I can see the structure is broken. Then structure, the market structure is no more higher high. It has made lower low. Means that market structure is broken for now. So what I will look for that. Oh my God,
It's
can
going
you?
to do a liquidity sell.
Yes. So
Boom.
this is it. Yeah, this is like, look, in this position, some people will jump on into the market. Okay, I will still sell a little while. We don't know how far it will go. Immediately it may turn. But having this structure right now, it has to sell a little while. It has to sell. We don't know how long it will sell, but it will sell a little while. Probably it may come down until here or until here. See, when while we are talking, oh my God, look at that. Wow. So it has broken this recent
Yeah.
resistance as well. Like, like this support is gone. It is the structure is broken for now. Structure is broken for now. In that is what you see from here. From here. Okay, market is making a lower low, even our then. So why not to sell from here? Maybe okay, I will sell from here. Like let's see. I will sell from here. I'll sell from here for probably I don't know how long, but when market is even you put the your EMA, what EMA is doing is EMA is also sharing, yeah, market EMA has crossed over. You can see in a 5 minute chart, EMA has the crossed over. It is signifying or significant identification or indication is that okay, market is going to sell for a little while. It was buying for here. Now it is slowly sloping down, and market
Your
is
EMA line is the same color as your bull candles. It's kind of hard to see sometimes.
oh
There it
okay.
is.
What is that?
Your EMA 20 line,
Oh, yeah.
the same color as your bull candles.
Oh, okay. So what I'll do, I'll change the color. Yeah, correct, correct. No, I understand what you mean. What I'll do is probably I'll make a blue and blue and red
That's all right.
probably.
That's good now.
Yeah, blue. Yeah. So then you'll be able to see. And I made a little bit of, say, yeah. So probably it's, oh my God, it's selling so nicely. Then you don't want to miss this opportunity when you're watching the market in a 5 minutes candlestick. Then, so I really want you to look at probably this is the very good pressure. So when you saw this two candlestick crossover, I would like to sell. Now I would like to sell for 20 minutes, 20 pips, 15 pips, whatever. Stop loss right here above this key level, sold it off. And in 5 minute chart, when you see this melting down, uh, if it continues, let it continue. You don't want to close the market. Okay,
Mm,
but when you see kind of rejection right here, something like this right here,
yeah.
you want to okay, maybe market will not push through from here, but it is pushing through. You can see it's kind of momentum. It's a momentum catching. It's called liquidity, liquidity trading. You could have made, I mean, even while we are talking here, this is what happens in the class whenever I'm teaching a student, like this may sell, they will immediately sell and they will make money immediately before I'm look, they are very fast in that. Okay, this may sell, this may buy, because I can see the market is already broken the structure very nicely. Yeah, even you go to the probably, yeah, this is a very nice broken
If
structure.
I was playing with real money, I'd be selling now. I'd be, excuse me.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, exactly, exactly. But like stay disciplined even you are in a, I mean, still say in your demo account. When you are
Yeah.
disciplined in your demo account, you will be able to see if you are profitable in demo account, you will be 100% profitable in your real account. But when you are not able to be disciplined in your demo account, most probability is that you will still lose in your,
Mm,
an early phase of your
mm.
demo account. Sorry, real money as well. Yeah. So
Yes,
that's
something I wanted to ask. When I got my list of trades, my profit and loss and equity is at the top. Now, someone I saw uh, put in the
okay. WhatsApp chat. Yeah.
yeah, WhatsApp, and they had theirs at the bottom, and I was trying to figure out so that you can, if I send it to you, you can see, because being right at the top,
Mm.
it's really hard to see all of that. So, is there a way to move?
No, no, no. That's because it's your Android. You're using Android, which is a Samsung, and they're using Apple. It's iPhone. It's only
Okay,
that. Yeah. So MT4 is literally it's the same MT4, but with the way it is projected in Android and then iPhone is different. Yeah.
okay,
I
got
can understand because I use both of them. I had to use even Android, Samsung to just understand myself how it works. So for now, look, oh my God, I can see a quite a liquidity in selling pressure is happening right now. Market has, but even in 4-hour candlestick, I also would like to tell you that market, when it touches this, see this line, which is our
It's EM20.
20 EMA, it might start to buy from here, see,
Yeah.
it's like it may buy. So it may or it may not. So it will let us know. It will let market will let us know, will it buy from here or will not buy from here. So if it
Mm.
continues to sell, of course we can't do much about it. It may sell. There are multiple reasons behind that. Today is Tuesday, and Tuesday literally market has some kind of momentum from Tuesday only. Remember that Monday, Friday is kind of closing day for market, and it will significant move will be happening. Some
Yeah,
people,
Friday is quite frantic at times.
yeah, people will be buying, like crazy buying and selling happening in Friday, and but Monday, people are slow. Oops, sorry, people are slow in the market. Why? Because they want to see the momentum in the market, which side market will go or whether it's selling. So yesterday, see, this is in a 4-hour candle. Yesterday didn't much happen. Nothing happened yesterday. If I
Right.
go to, yeah, nothing happened
So
yesterday. See,
everybody's closed their positions on Friday
yeah,
as much as possible. So no one's opening a trade until they say, rightio, until they see which way it's going. Right.
true,
I get it.
true,
Yeah.
true,
Okay.
true, true, true. This, yeah. So I'll quickly share my, what I was about to share with you today. Where is that gone? Okay, Microsoft, not
Mm.
this. Okay, so how to find out this area of confluence, how to find or identify. So this is a very good, significant information that area of confluence is something you always need to identify in the market so that you catch that quality trade, right? There are some reason why we want to do it. So look, I used to use 14 and 12, 50 EMA. Now instead of 14, just ignore that. I will change into 20 and then 200. So because it's exactly the same. There's not much difference in 14 or 20 or 200 or 50, but difference is that 200 moving, like EMA is like it's like a 200 period, 200 days, but 14 is 14 days period. That's it. That's only the difference. But I don't want you to confuse about it, but take it as it is. Like we are using some of the EMA, some of these EMA to help us to identify the support and resistance level. So remember, when I go to the chart, I'll quickly share with you. If you understand or know where are the support and resistance in the market, or you will really, really nail this entry. Because if you nail the entry, I will teach you in another session that how to nail this exit. Because suppose you knew these are the area of interest, area of confluence, area of whatever, value or whatever you say. When you, okay, I'll quickly probably, for now, I'll just let's make some readings to understand, to show you. Okay, this is hugely, hugely, hugely respected area of interest. If you go this area, you will be probably able to see, even go this, see, you'll be able to see something has happened in this area in the past as well. See, can you see this? I mean, how powerful it is?
Mm.
Why I want you to learn this one, because this, if you learn this one, if you learn how to draw this area of interest or area of whatever, so sometime it will spike up, that will be kind of the fake move, to touch, to swipe out your stop loss, whatever. But I'm in a daily chart. Can you see, even you go backward, even here, I don't know if I can see or no, but you will be able to same in the same line. Yeah, there'll be something happening here as well. Like if you
Yeah.
go that, like why I'm drawing this one is so to share with you that we are actually in 2017. See, we have a data in front of us from 2016 to 2024 right now. So in
There's
a,
some sort of balance there that seems when everything's balanced out, that's where it goes and lives. And
yeah,
yeah.
there's,
Hmm.
see, yeah, so that's correct, then. So that's why for now we are very close from this line. So we don't want to do what we don't want to worry about what happened in 2016. We don't really have to bother about that. But what is happening within this couple of months, a couple of years, at least in the same area, because remember, market moves in certain algorithm and then pattern and then some kind of rhythm and algorithm. I always say that rhythm and algorithm, because kind of music has a rhythm, isn't it? Music has a rhythm. Similarly, market also has a kind of rhythm. So what are those rhythms? So rhythm is, this is what I want to teach you. This is the rhythm, Dan. This is the rhythm that we want you to learn. We want everyone to learn, to where market may do something in the future. Like we don't want to worry what happened in the past. It's already past. We can't trade the past, but we can trade the future. So this, in the current market, look, market is selling, he was very nicely selling, coming downward. I mean, in a few minutes when we started to, teach, already 32, probably 32 pips already down, which is, market may make some kind of significant move like this. It may come down up to same level and may buy from here. But if it doesn't come here, what market will do? Come down, make a correction, and move to the same level up. For now, I want you to look at, do you think this market is a bullish market or a bearish market? I want you to learn about this, because this is the area of interest. Yes, that's correct. But where do you think market is heading right now? It is going towards the bearish market, which is,
The market is bearish. If you go back to 2024, if you look on right where that peak is there, that's definitely a slow, or very not so slow even. It's downhill. When you move to, where are we? March, November, so probably about February, January of this year, it's been moving in a range, in a
it's
pretty
moving in a range.
reasonable range,
Yes.
but the overall trend is still down.
Yeah, it is still down. Yes, that's very true. That's for the longer term position, because we don't stay there for months and months.
Mm.
So yeah, so we probably trade for 4 hours, sometime 3 hours, sometime 1 hour. So how long can you stay in the market when you see that current position? For example, see, I mean, in a 1 hour chart, oh, that is like, I just, like I was telling you, there was a support level here, there was a resistance here. Look, now when market is, for some time, when it was selling, like melting down that quickly, so there will be a significant buys as well. Now market already started to buy a little bit. Can you see that? Can you see in a small time frame?
Yeah.
There is a green candle.
And that
Uh,
should come back to around about 65, 550. I'm thinking maybe 65, 400, 65, 550, I'm guessing. It should buy back up to there.
yeah, it touched exactly the 400. See, almost 400, like 407,
Mm.
64, 0.64, 404. See, it
Right.
came there and it started to buy. See, this is always like, just look for the position, or somewhere, like even in a 5 minutes candle. Let's see, I'll go to the 5 minute chart. Okay, all right, so we look, for now I wouldn't buy or sell, do nothing. Why? Because we have just broken the structure. It may be the correction for the selling pressure. It could be like,
Yes.
it market could do something like this, like it came down, it will go maybe a 50% of this line and come down again, which is very possible, which is very possible. I have no, like said, we can't push market to go, you have to buy. No, we can't push market to buy. But when market is actually, you can see, that's what I'm talking, when there was not good kind of rejection like this here, it's just a one
Yeah.
candle. Yeah, so means that, then it's just a pullback, just a small pullback to continue to sell. That's
Mm.
why many of us make a mistake that, okay, now market will buy and will buy for and stay in the long position, and will, what will happen is market will continue to sell from probably like this. I would say we have no idea what this market will do for now. It may buy or it may sell, but this is also another potential move in the market that we do not want to take any decision right now, because we already have moved a little bit down, broke the structure, and market may continue to sell for a little while. That's why always look for the significant moves. For example, maybe you may find this key
Excuse
level. You may find this key level, and then you'll look for the buying position when market come here, make that significant rejection, which is a rejection, no more selling now, I'm enough selling, I would like to buy. Then you'll see some candles, which is hammer, probably you can also see the bullish engulf candle, something like that. So let's go back. So this is a anyways live chart that I'm sharing with you. This potential market, what market can do. Market, if market has to buy, probably it will continue to buy. There will be a follow through candlestick. Yes, please.
When we're looking at a drop like that, and
Yeah.
it looks like a liquidity trade-off.
Mm.
Everyone's selling off,
Mm.
and going, okay, I'm taking my profit. Um, does volume give you an indication of whether it will continue to sell? Is volume any sort of a reliable indication there that if there's a lot of selling and the volume is really high, does that give you a good indication that it will continue to sell? Or
Yeah.
is it just
No,
what?
it's like you always have to look at the overall trend then. If yeah, overall trend. Like say look at like think if market is you think that market is selling uh over time, like probably market will still sell, then that volume is another significant identification or indication for you that okay, market may continue to sell.
Not a
Yes.
definite, but it's an indication. Yeah.
Yeah, it's indication, not like there is no 100%, like there is no 100%. So that's what, for now, looking at this chart structure, I can see it has to sell, it has to sell, and it has to sell because there is no other way option. I cannot see anything. That's why, but when we come down here, we don't want to sell from here. We do not want to sell from here because we already missed this move.
Mm.
We if look for me is what I used to do is probably market has broken the structure. If I go to the 15 minutes or 30 minutes chart, okay, market is selling, oh boom, you will sell and market will do a pullback, which is very possible. Market will do a pullback and you hit the stop loss. But sometime what also will happen is market come down. um okay, no, I mean market will continue to push downward, continue to push downward. It will not think twice to touch your stop loss. It will definitely hit your stop loss. That's why if you have a checklist, which is checklist for buying, okay, what you should do or what you should see in the market, you always have to use. I think I already have shared the checklist with everyone. I do believe that. I don't know if yeah, I have already. Of course, the class is already finished, but if you need those checklists, let me know. um Always have a look like are you in a support level or resistance level, and what market is doing. Is there any kind of indication is EMA is in the support? So EMA is a kind of, you can say 200 EMA or you can use 50 EMA. They will do exactly the same thing. So this 200 EMA is a 200 period, days EMA. So why we use this one? This is a resistant. From resistant, market has to sell. It sold as well. You can see that. And this is a support. From support, market has to buy. You can see it's buying as well. Same thing. Yeah, you can see it when there is a distance between EMA and then market. Means if EMA, this 200 EMA is very down, that's why there is a correction happening. That's why, because there was a space in between this line. You can say this is what I'll also share. This they okay, so this space in between, because there was a buying pressure from here. So why it has to come down? So that this 200 EMA, and then this is what will happen. So if it has to sell, it will sell for probably until here or until here, and then it will continue to buy. That is also another significant indication from the EMA. So that's, I still use them, and I will teach you that what I have one new indicator in my chart today. So I would like to share that with you as well. This indicator is used to identify your. I'll quickly share. I will remove all of those other ones. Okay. ATR. It is a ATR band. What it means is it will show you if you are selling. Okay, if you are selling the market, probably from here, if you sold the market, so this will be your stop loss area. This is your stop loss. For if you are selling now, your stop loss should be here. See, ATR short stop loss and ATR buy. So if you want to buy from here, probably if you think that there is a rejection happening or there is a market cannot push through from this line, there was a short term sell, now market will buy long term, then you still can put no. This is just an example. This is not a real. So you probably have this stop loss will be right here. You know what I mean? This is how you'll be using your this ATR band. You can where you find this, you'll always find this one in your See,
Indicators.
ATR, yeah, ATR, uh, stop loss finder, stop loss finder. You can see ATR stop loss finder. Suppose if you want, oh, sorry, ATR. What did I do? ATR stop loss finder. So there is a band as well. There is a band as well. So, but I want you to like at least stop loss indicator. There is quite a few, pips. There is a trailing stop loss. There is a lot of indicator in the chart itself. So, I mean, indicator itself. So it's up to you, whatever you want to, which one you want to, use it. There is another one. I think this is even more effective. I think so. This one. Oh, okay, this one. Yeah, the same one, same one. So I think, yeah, this one, like if you are selling right now, okay, I'll give you an example. Oh, oh, okay, long target 7.8. Oh, this is the other one. Okay, so no, I don't want to use this one. This is different one. Sorry. So I just want you to use this ATR. So there is no any kind of you don't have to change anything in the chart in the indicator, which is ATR. Okay, if you find out once again,
Lost time. Yeah.
ATR stop loss finder. So when you see that, so this one I don't need it. Yeah, so this will help you if you want even ATR band. So what this ATR band? I will quickly put this ATR bands as well. Okay, another one is ATR band. Okay, so this one, if I, so what exactly the same? It's exactly the same thing. It's a lower ATR band, which is if you are buying, your stop loss should be here, you will probably buy from here, buy from here. So if you are selling, probably you sell from here and your stop loss will be right there. So this is literally nothing much than identifying your, where should we put your stop loss. If you want to, save your money, because the right things to do is to put your stop loss in the right place so that market will not stop out. Most of the time, if you don't know where to put the stop loss, market will stop out to you, because you are putting stop loss wherever you want. But now this one, you can see the middle band is middle band is something that you market is right now. And market is, wherever market is going, so middle band will show you if it's uptrend or downtrend. Yes, please. Then
Yeah, it's interesting because normally I've been doing a stop loss on some of those trades at about 100 points.
okay.
And the one that I did with the Aussie dollar, US dollar, it seemed to be making a fairly positive move. So I only gave it about, was it 73? It's 27, and yeah, I only gave it about 40 points. And so,
Okay.
yeah, but when it just, sometimes the price just spikes and it hits
Yes.
the stop loss and you're done.
Yeah.
And that's what happened. Yeah. So that was I didn't set my stop loss very well.
Okay. Okay. Okay, for now, that's what I was told. If you are thinking, suppose there is a lot of rejection happening from this line, you will be able to see then okay, I want to buy from here, because there are a lot of rejection happening here. Okay, there is a lot of, you can see literally there is a kind of rejection happening here. Can you see that
Mm, mm,
market couldn't pass through this line? If market is holding this line for a little while, this is the significant identification or indication that okay, market is holding here for like this slightly suddenly moving downward was a kind of correction only.
yeah.
Then okay, I want to buy from here. I think literally, I think I put in a right spot. This is not the engulf yet, because engulf candle is slightly, but still you can take this as an engulf for this
Mm,
small, engulf. Okay, it came down, market came down to the same level. Again, market is making another. So if there is a follow through candlestick, which is a more green candlestick, pushing through this line going upward, means okay, this is a significant move, that okay, maybe market, this was correction, now I can buy. So market will tell you automatically where to buy or where to sell. For this one, probably if you are buying from right now, your stop loss should be right here. That's what it means according to the, according to this band, if you're buying. But if you're selling from here, so okay, if you want to sell, because market, the band is actually going downwards, probably market has to go downward, because this band is also kind of indication that okay, market is slightly downwards right now. Slightly. You
Yeah.
can see the reason behind that is you can see because of this
PMA
big
20. Yeah.
big candle. This is a big candle. So have a look. From now on, I want you to at least find out this area highly area of confluence, which is kind of right here. There is one here. There is one here. Those are the areas that market came through multiple times and did something there. Market couldn't break through this line, went up. Couldn't break through, went up. Same thing here. And now market bypass through this resistance. Remember support. Sorry, market will always do that. Market will. So see, this is why this market has to come down and break this line just to touch the stop loss. Yeah. Then.
Would it be right to say that on the one hand, you've got your EMA exponential moving average,
Mhm.
but the areas of confluence are like a standing average. There is still non-moving average.
Yeah.
Would
Yeah.
that be sort of fair to say, to just sort of get it inside your head of what it actually is?
Okay. So could you
Would it be
repeat
fair
that
to
again?
call it that, or am I overthinking this?
Could you repeat that again? Sorry.
Okay. When you got your area of confluence, especially when
Yeah.
you get a long band, and I said before, it's got like it's that place where everything averages out. Um, and if you've got a long area of confluence, would it be like a standing average as opposed to an exponential moving average? It's a standing average that you can rely on for at least a period of time.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
very true. Yes, yes,
Okay.
100%. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. You're right. You're definitely 100% right. So that's what I'm going to like. How can you identify whether this is an area of confluence, which is area of value or area of interest? Most of the people are looking to buy if they are in like, support level, but most of the people are looking to sell if it is in resistance level. So that's what I would quickly go through this. Number one is remember trend line. You can still identify those area of value or area of interest or whatever using the trend line. So you know that I use trend line most of the time. You saw me oops, again, what is happening here? Okay, yes. And you can use support and resistor itself is another area of confluence, which is mostly most of the people will do some kind of, there will be most of the reaction happening. Market will come down, do a lot of rejection, multiple weak candle or big candles. If it's support level, if it's in a even resistance level, probably you will see the inverted hammer or evening star or kind of bearing engulf candlesticks. So those are the labels that you want to look to buy or sell. That's what I mean. Like you don't want to buy in middle of the market where market has made a significant move. You want to buy from here. Come on, market has already bought quite a while. Maybe market has to come down and then buy it. So they don't buy from top. That's what I mean. So find this area of interest, area of confluence where market may do certain things again. Market may do certain things again. So here in this case, I would like to tell you have to know where are the support and resistance in the probably high time frame, probably 4 hour, 1 hour daily chart as well. Sometime even if you are swing trader, you have to also weekly, weekly support and resistance. Weekly support and resistance, very powerful zone that you want to buy from weekly support or daily support level, buy from there, or you want to sell from weekly or daily resistance level, or resistance, or it has to break through or structure is broken, something like this. It's going downward. From here, you will buy, you sell from here. Moving average, I already told you about that. And the fib as fib is, I think I told you how to use fib. So this is just a four, but there are many ways.
I've got to
Um,
read a lot more on fib. I haven't done much this week. I've been pretty tired actually. So
Yeah, no, that's okay. Just keep practicing. I will show you again and again. So literally, I will show you today also. I'll show you literally. We have a time. We have a time. Yes. So more traits mean more factors. So I'll quickly share you some of these pictures that you will be able to understand better. These pictures are actually real market example for you to go through. Look. So what are those area of values or confluence? Number one is you can see this is a very nice example for you. This is a resistance level. This nothing here, nothing. This is just a went through. This is another. So even trend line you can see trend line we pass through. So this is a really good example of uptrend market. Okay. So this is an example of 20, is 50 EMA. If you draw even 100 EMA will also do the same, but 50 EMA, trend line, support level, all lined up perfectly. Then what do you want to do from here? You want to buy from here. Come on, this is a buying zone. That's what I want to show you. This is a buying zone. Does that make sense, Dan?
Oh, so particularly when something, a former resistance has become a support and your trend line is going up, and that right, that intersection of all those things. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so you will
That's a-
always, you will
yeah,
only look at those points to buy or sell. You don't want to do anything in the middle of market, no, because otherwise you will be stopped out.
yeah.
Yeah, so because if you buy from here, remember your stop loss is right down here because you're still like a risk-free trade. This will be risk-free trade. If you a market started to go up and look at this correction happen again, red candle came through to respect that zone again. Then the
Mm,
next engulf candle is the perfect example. Like okay, you will be immediately whenever this red candle stop to form, then you are going to enter the market to catch this big candle. See, you don't want to wait that long as well. Sometimes people wait and wait and wait, and market will move pass through, and oh my
mm,
god, I missed that moment. No,
mm,
just take like you have to be like very very fast in the market, and it will be
mm,
that quick.
mm.
Another example, look at the above example. So this is like example. I'm saying traders like who were in short positions. Exactly, short positions. Remember, there are some traders who will short as well in the same market. They are shorter, like they sold from here. So sorry, so this is not buy B. No, this is yeah. They will sell from here. They will sell from here. And look, whenever this market, this especially this resistance made a support, they have to get out of the market because market is significantly giving a signal to buy. If they are in a selling position, you don't want to stay in the market for selling position because otherwise their stop loss will be hunted. That's why you need to, even you are seller, you need to look for the like significant indication in the market what market may do next. Is it making sense then?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
Especially this, it really, it's an excellent point where your three major points converge: the trend line, the EMA, the moving average, and where a resistance becomes a support. It can't break through, then it breaks through, and suddenly that's your support level, which says go buy, because and it's all those three things happening in the one spot.
One spot. That's what you have to look for, the one spot. That's it. Like that's it. Saw the area of confluence, would consider closing the open position, and in case price bounces and over inverse upward. That's why for long traders opening, at the same time you had different schools of the traders. I mean, of course, noticed this area of confluence looking at enter to buy a new position. See, they will of course buy the, like, of course, the new long position. They saw the very nice confluence. So dutifully, I mean, of the traders, both closing their open short position and traders opening new long position, because the people who were shorting that same position, they will close that short position and they will start to look for the new buy position which is moving upward. So then there are more buyers, and then all the short position which is sellers, they are closing the position. That's why the market will
Mm.
make a good move from that area. That's why and this is actually the in smart money concept, what you say, the banks they know most of the sellers will stay here, most of the buyers will stay here. That's why when you see the spike going through all the way down, that is to touch the stop loss. That's intentionally happening. That's the manipulation. That's what I said. That's why most of the trader, when they put the stop loss very close, they will stop out. They will stop out. Another example is here. I don't know if okay, where is, oh, it's moving slowly. See, I came already. Okay, just waiting. Oh my God. Okay, same information that, this ties in exactly areas of confluence. That's what, this is what I want you to look at. You have moving average, moving average is also showing you where to take the action. And the price action trader, which is price action trader means the people who are looking for the high swing highs and swing lows, swing highs, swing lows, swing highs, swing lows. So From here, whenever you see the market is making some kind of, multiple correction here, then now we are going to buy. So this is a buying position. Whoever were here selling sellers, they have to close their position here, and then that is a price action trader. Price action, literally, you will in price action. That's what I'm teaching you as a price action trader. You can still look at moving average, even price action trader also look at moving average to have that extra confirmation. And if you are only looking at the candlestick pattern, you still can look at, you still take action from that same example that I gave you before. There is a probably hammer is forming, to buy. And here trend line trader also can take action. Support and resistance trader also, because you have to ask yourself, then you are support and resistant trader, you are also trend line trader, you are candlestick, you also know what kind of candlestick formation indicates what kind of move in the market. And in price action, you already know the swing highs and swing lows. That is a price action traders. And you also know how to use, because you can use literally everything. Fibonacci, I think I already told you. I'm going to show you more about that. And some traders only use Fibonacci. Some traders only use support and resistance, literally. But I'm teaching you everything here so that you can have that quality trade. You can have, like, you can literally learn what kind of candlestick doing what moving average means, and what is the swing highs and swing lows, whatever. Yeah, so I think it's quite clear, but I'll go to the next ones. As always, it doesn't matter how good the area of confluence is or how many schools of traders are stacked here. If price doesn't react to the area, or more specifically, you don't get key candlestick pattern. What it means is you must have that one candlestick, or maybe multiple. I wouldn't say multiple, just one nice engulf candle, bullish engulf candle in a lower time frame. That is a significant. You are going to enter the market when you see bullish candlestick engulf candle, which is a bullish engulf candle in 5 minutes to 15 minutes candle. Boom, that's the significant indication that let's go and buy the market when you are in that area of confluence. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then the area of confluence is invalid because it shows that for whatever reason, this time around, other traders didn't take action at the same level, key level, meaning no trades opportunity. No trades opportunity. Hopefully it makes sense, because so even though sometime we are in an area of confluence, then what is, if you don't have a candlestick pattern, or you don't have chart pattern, or some kind of indication that, okay, in the key level, market should do this, but you couldn't see this significant indication, which is probably engulf candle, or hammer, or morning star, shooting star, whatever is the, like, there are so many reversal candlestick patterns that if you have seen them, then that's the opportunity that you have to take a look, like, okay, maybe it's time to buy. But when there is no chart pattern, there is no candlestick, market is going what is doing. Suppose when it comes, it has to continue sometime. But if it is doing some kind of thing here, making in Gulf candle, okay, let's go and buy it. Now, this is the time that you want to take action from here. This is a key level, right? Sometime, even though how strong is the key level, it will break through. Remember that. It will break through. Um, Especially I usually tell in my Nepalese class in sorry so doesn't really matter how big or small is the the flood, the flood, big flood. The flood will take everything, because when market has a lot of volume and there is a lot of price action, a lot of volume, and then a lot of liquidity is there, it will break through that support and resistance. That's why we should not be really, like relying on only there is a key level. Sometimes those key levels will be broken as well with the this volume and the liquidity in the market. Okay, let me quickly go. Same thing. Same example I'm giving you many other time, different ways. So what it means, the quality trade, like whenever you are taking those trade in those areas of confluence, then those trades probably have more qualities than taking those trades wherever you want, So instead of taking a trade just a key level, or just the trend line, or on its own, just moving average on its own, when you enter the, any kind of area, where all these different trades are crossed and stacked. Stacked means, okay, everything is there. Not only one reason we are entering the market, only in a key level. There is a engulf candle is forming, and that's how the quality trade form. Then most probability is that you are going to make that trade winning trade, not rather than losing trade. So everything is in a favor. You are going to make that true momentum, and you probably make money from the trade. Yes. So because of more schools of traders entering at an area means the higher the chance it goes in your favor, because remember that if you are buying that market, other traders also needs to buy that market, especially not you only. I would say when the when the bigger financial institute are buying, you want to enter that time. Means if they are buying, market will really buy significantly at that, from that level of in confidence. Equals quality trade higher, you make money. Yeah, key level versus area of confidence. So I'll quickly give some example. There is I think, what's the difference between key level and area of high confidence? So key level means it's a dynamic support and resistance level. And what is the difference between confidence? I think it is something like this: key level support, support, support. Area of confidence is exactly same place that you are taking a trade, but after confirming that area. Okay, so here is like area of high confidence area. Multiple price trades factors cross each other. So key level is support and resistance, but confluence means there is a EMA is also stacking, your trend line is also stacking. Trend line is also telling you it's the time to buy probably, and also you have all those candlestick formation is happening. I hope it makes sense. Then, like, you
Mhm.
have a lot of price action is happening. There is a multiple price action trades, which is factors, high chances that market is going to react on your favor.
Mm.
Yeah, so confluence means, okay, area of interest, and confluence, I would say area of value, whatever you want to tell. It's kind of high confluence means there is a multiple factors in your favor. Number one is your EMA is in your favor, trend line is doing right thing, and there is an engulf candle or some kind of, morning star, some kind of evening star, some kind of candlestick pattern is forming, and there is also chart pattern, which is, you could say, double top, double bottom. These are also some kind of trades that you also look at in the market. I will quickly show you like how to find out those top probably in the next class. Today, I will only focus on this. So area of high confidence, I would quickly show there is a Walmart stock. I used to do stock as well before, and that's why there is an example. So this is a resistant, but the area of confluence is here. See, trend line, boom, you can see, and there is another candlestick. Yeah, so key level is there, old resistance turned into new support, where the trend line also crosses, and trend line also, that's the place or area the way you want to buy into the market. Makes sense, right? Here.
Yeah.
Okay, lovely. Another example, this is Tesla. Tesla is one of the number one right now. Tesla is, oh yes, taking over the stock market, I believe. So area of high confidence. Number one, old key resistance turned to new support. Here we go. So this is a support. Of course, you can say resistant turn into new support here. I'll just quickly draw this and show you right here. Here we go. Okay, and then very, very, very key level. So this is as every time price got here, hit and reserved. Yeah, because see, this is example that I would like to give you. So that's why you will look for the buying position. Sometimes people will buy from down here, which is totally fine. That's still fine. But
It's a little bit brave.
yeah, that's brave. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, they will still buy from here. That's totally fine because, but whenever market is making this look a higher high and high, some people want to wait to break this, resistance.
Look,
Some people.
even if you buy from there, it's still going to go up to the resistance. If the
Yeah,
resistance turned into support, that's
yeah.
fine. But really, I mean, it's not that brave. It's quite a good buy. It's not
Goodbye.
going to go right to the top, but it will at least, well, you don't know,
Yeah,
but at
yeah.
least go to resistance.
Very true. Very true.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah. So yeah. So some people look. They will wait until this correction happen. But for me, is look. I want you and myself I would like to take a early ride. Like if you had bought from right this number, I would say, where is my okay. If you had bought from here, look, you could have made a lot of money, this
Mm.
one, and market will make a correction here. And another, you had like you made a double money from the same market, same move. See,
Mm.
look,
Yeah.
if you are only looking for the buying position, this is how you, yeah, there are a lot of different traders, different style traders, they will only look for the selling. They will only short and short and short. But there are some, they will only long and long and long in the market. So ask yourself, which one do you like to do?
I was going to say, people who are only short and short and short to me would be short-sighted. Hey.
True. That's very true. That's very, very true. See, this one is example I was giving you. It's coming downward now because of the
Mm.
indicator. Yeah.
Mm.
So it may hit a stop, but we didn't, that was just an example for you, like how to use your stop loss, using this
Mm.
ATR, SL, and, yeah, TP and SL. But TP, there is no example for TP here in this significant
No.
example.
That's
You
one of
can,
the things too with Oz Japan, and there's no effective resistance. There's no
yes,
resistance
yes, yes, yes,
level.
yes, yes, yes. They're significantly, yeah, they're just oh, that's correct. I'll quickly go through this odds. New Zealand, not New Zealand. Yeah, New Zealand, yen. Oh my God, this spike was crazy. Oh my God, is that today? Is that yesterday? Yesterday, that was yesterday. My God, it was nighttime. I think I saw that. Um, wow. Quickly sharing. Yeah, market is overall uptrend then. You can see that, right? Market is overall uptrend, but market is not only buying, it's selling at the same time. Buying and selling, it's both happening. But look,
Mm.
I would like to ask you, do you want to sell this market or do you want to buy this market? Then if you want to look for the buying position, I want you to make a mark like this. So probably market has to come down here. From here, maybe you put the, like even sometime you can just, yeah, buy from here, stop
Mm.
loss right here, because market will probably buy, but sometime this pre-order, which is a buy stop, or buy limit, they may not hit because market will never come here. Probably market will start to buy from this area, market will
Yeah.
never come here. So in that case, you only can do it, even, okay, maybe I will buy from here. Let's see if it crosses, then all you do is, in this line, I want you to put the alert, like say put this
Mm.
87, or maybe 800, maybe 800, whatever, like whatever makes it easy for you here. And this is the line that I would like to look at. But there's a lot, once market will come here, because you are looking to see the market to buy. Yeah, see, but I don't think, sometimes, like, I don't want to think anything, but market will do whatever it will do, because based on this market structure, it has been buying for a little while. Quickly go to the weekly chart. You can see it's a huge buying pressure is happening here, isn't
Mm.
it? You can see
Mm.
that there is
Yeah.
buying pressure. So, but while it's buying, remember, it's not only buying, it's selling at the same time. So
Yeah.
this significant is we are in the top of the mountain. There is no resistance here. That's the
Mm.
last resistance for now.
Mm.
I don't know if it, no, that's actually correct. Yeah. Why it's selling from here? Oh, beautiful. See, because it just hit our previous resistance, weekly resistance. So that's why
Let's
I
go back
always,
to 2014, which is,
yes, yes, yes.
you
That's
wonder how 2014 could have an effect, but then that takes you back to the concept of that confluence, that
true.
still average. And you wonder if that's something to do with the total economic value.
Oh, yeah, that's fundamental you're talking about. Yes, yes, yes. That's
Yeah,
very
yeah,
true.
yeah.
Yes, 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 yes. 100%, 100%. Yes. Yeah, that's why I always want you to look at the bigger time frame. Is this line is our weekly resistance line. That's what from there market is selling off. Why? Because see, market made a false move. Whoop, it was last night. It was last night.
Mm. Mm.
Woohoo! And melted down like a crazy. It literally within an hour or two, I think I was watching. I don't know. Maybe I didn't trade yesterday that crazy. I didn't trade it. Here we go. 323 pips in within a couple of hours. Why? Because there are many, many people waiting to sell and they sold off. See, that's
Yeah.
why. people are waiting to sell from here. Not only people, especially the even I would say our market maker who are our big financial institute,
Mm.
traders. Yeah. Um. Okay.
Hang
So
on a second. Do we just take that? Yeah, now stop. Off to the left-hand side, you've got a big cell there.
yeah, this one. Yeah.
No, 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 go right to the left. No, 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 no. With the map as it was, come back a bit, come back a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, now stop.
Yeah.
You've got a
This one.
big bull candle there,
Yeah.
right? When
Yeah.
was that? Was
It's 19th of April.
19th.
Yeah.
Okay.
Friday. Friday. Remember Friday? You saw that couple of
Yeah,
yeah,
that
last week.
was 10
Yeah.
days
So
ago.
last,
That was
yes.
10, 11 days ago.
Yes.
And now here we've got another massive one. So it seems I'm wondering if there's a rhythm, a timing, and I'm going to start looking for that to see if there's something you can predict when it's constantly climbing and it's got to sell off. You wonder if you're looking at, is it a matter of time? Is it a matter of how many points in the market? But somewhere on there, you seem to see these consistent big sell-offs. One,
Mm,
two,
mm, mm.
three,
Yeah.
four,
Yes.
five, six.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Even selling off equally and buying as well. Equally selling off and buying as well. Equal,
Yeah.
like there's an equal pressure in buying and selling.
Yes. But
And
you
this
see
is a
the
huge.
sell when people are taking profit, it's sudden and sharp. Bang,
Yes,
down she goes. They're all
true.
they're liquidity trading. They're just taking their
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes, yes. I would like to show you another example, which is probably Japanese yen. See exactly the same pressure, same market, not much different. Not, I think it was yesterday's that I bought a little bit. It's only. Oh no, not this one. Sorry. What is that? Okay, delete. Yeah, this was only for not only, but it was a huge peep. I think in 2 hours they have 157 points. Wow, that's a really good move. I saw this because I saw the spike underneath there and went up. Means whenever you see this one, means that why market has to come down to the same level and went up again. Yeah, still market wants to buy. Seriously, this
Yeah.
market still wants to buy it. But having said that, just we want to make sure that we are very cautious to enter the market having this big engulf candle. This is a huge move towards the sell side liquidity, I would say.
Mhm.
Sell side liquidity means there is a selling pressure, but before it sells off, it has to make this move as well, towards upside. And probably it will sell again from here. Or we don't know, maybe from here again it will go up to the same level or maybe up to here. So in a lower time frame, you'll be able to see what is happening here in the lower time frame. So that is why, yeah, you can see kind of resistant form here, you can see kind of resistant form here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And look, if it doesn't break through this line, it has to sell off from here. Sell off. That if you want to look at the selling position, have a look in a 15-minute time frame. Yeah, so this market has to sell because of this pressure, but we are not the one who makes the market, move. There's someone else who is making the market move. So go to the smaller time frame and have a look, 5-minute chart, what is happening. And I think 5-minute chart already selling pressure is there. You can see the follow through candle is a selling pressure. Um, take
Yeah,
a
the
look.
EMA 20 is leveling out too, so it's going to go choppy.
Yeah, so this is kind of, you can see it was selling off, huge sell off and buying pressure again. And you have to probably, if you are looking to sell again, you let market to come to the same level and sell off. It doesn't break through the line. This is how I mean, as a trader, only the way we can make money is probably it is coming and coming there. If it doesn't break through this line, probably this is the, I shared this is the key level here, small time frame key level. Then only you can sell off from here, but do not sell from here right now. No, let the market come up. Probably it will do some kind of something like this in the same area, or if it goes breakthrough, it will do that sometime. It will break through and boom, come down, or sometime it will not break through, it will
Mm.
continue to buy as well. So to move, possible potential move is it has to come this area again. Yes, please. Then
Yeah, I was going to say, I saw something maybe a week or more ago in the news that the US and yen.
Mm,
The yen was going to hit about the lowest level in about 20 years. And all of the pairings that are Great Britain pound, yen,
mm,
US yen, Aussie yen, they are all rising. So the Australian, the pound, and the
mm.
US are all rising and rising at the moment. And you can almost see identical patterns
Yeah, yeah.
across them because the yen is just really low at the moment.
Yes, 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 it is. You can see, I will quickly share with you my screen. You can see Japanese yen is a low,
Oh
it
yeah,
is.
yeah.
See, it's very weak. And I will also share with you, there are a couple of things from the trading views itself you will be able to see. You can see if you read this one, Japan future rise on weak yen, upbeat domestic factory data. I mean, there is a lot Asia rise, yen intervention. So I'll quickly share with you. This is probably, you can also read this one, but you know what? I literally do not read this too much. Bank of Japan, this is their news. If Japan did intervene, I don't know what it means, to support
Intervene.
the,
In,
yeah.
intervene. You understand that?
No, I don't know what it means.
Interfere.
Oh, interfere. Okay,
It
okay,
gets
interfere.
involved.
Okay, interfere to support the yen on Monday. If I mean pointless, and it wasn't pointless, the authorities, because I know what it means, but as a so this is US government bonds yields are much higher than Japan's. So whenever you see this one, why this our Japanese yen and US dollar, oh, sorry, I have to cancel this one in here. Okay, why it is, if you go to the daily chart, then I'm watching this currency very closely from last couple of years. Seriously, very, 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 very closely. So, can you see any chance it's going downwards? Yeah, I think now it's going to kind of little bit down a week from yesterday.
There are corrections as
Yeah,
people take
correction.
profit,
Yeah.
but it's been just rising
Yes.
for years.
Yes, that's what I mean. If you go to the monthly chart, see, this is how what you can see. It literally, it's higher, higher high, high
Mm,
monthly. This is
mm.
a monthly chart
Look
from.
there, look at the EMAs climbing.
Yes. Yeah, so this is what you can literally see. So it may do a correction. This is a definitely correction and correction. But from here, yeah, I was trying to sell off from here. I sold off from here. I was thinking it sold a little bit from the same another resistance, but from here it broke through. Means the potential in US dollar and Japanese yen it has to go higher. It definitely is. Now, from today, see, yesterday was selling off. I saw the huge spike. My
Mm,
God, I was like watching this market. Look, I should have sold off. I missed that move. Whenever I miss that move, oh my God, that if you feel it, right? You feel it.
mm.
Come on, why did you watch another currency pair? I was watching A and Australian and US dollar, Euro, USD. This is what I usually
Yeah,
keep watching. And I was also watching AU. Yes, please.
I caught myself in a pattern of behavior just recently. Is
Okay.
very often when I see a move that's already started, I
Okay.
try to catch up with it, and that's a mistake.
Oh.
Because I see it and I go, oh, got to get on that, but it's already too
Mm.
late. And I made a couple of trades where I did that, and in fact, one trade, I actually sold right at the bottom of the market because I thought it was going to go down. I wanted it to go down, you know, and I just, yeah, I started the trade at exactly the wrong time.
The-
So it's a behavioral thing
it's
I've
yeah,
noticed. Yeah,
psychology. I say psychology. I think I have gone through that chapter already, but I
yeah,
have a
yeah.
huge documentation to share with you. Then probably next week. So that's all about like the mistakes, common mistakes, all of the. It's still I do at the point of time. I do at the point of time. Seriously, because I know I should not do that. I know the market will go that way, market will make some, correction. I know
Mm,
that is what only the disciplined trader, only the people who follow their own trading plan can win here. Most of the trader, which is, I would say, if you want to make a living from trading, you must follow your, like trading plan, which is whatever you have said, like I will not trade this market until and unless I see this, or until and unless I see that, So that's very, very true. There are quite this trading views. I love this trading view. So you can see quite a, if you want to see some news here, quite a few, like gold price technical analysis. Gold prices fell on Monday, but the decline was modest. It didn't sideline, because it's making a kind of, what is that called, a side move. It's not making a spike up or spike down. Yes. So yeah, it's kind of, it may come down a little bit. That's what he's saying. You can really have a look. These are the people that they are analytics, like chartist, market chart, chart,
Yeah.
yeah, analytics, whatever you say. These people, they still have this, any currency pair you want to quickly have a look. Suppose it's a yen, we are in yen, right? So check what these people are have to say. Yeah, Japanese future rose. Look, you can still take this as an extra source of information,
Mm.
but never fall for them. Never fall
Yeah.
for them, because these people will tell whatever they need, whatever they want, but market will something else. Because I have a experience of following them, but I was completely wrong. So
Mm.
that's why trade what you see in the market, not what other people think in the market will do,
Because also, I think the hedge funds probably have a huge influence, and a
Yes,
lot of times they are buying at a particular price
true,
in order to pay for something that they're buying later on. So they can say, all right, I'm buying Aussie dollars at this price because I'm going to go to Japan in a month's time and
mm-hmm,
buy $3 billion worth of this, and
true,
I need my money to be equal.
true.
So they're buying huge amounts of currency to stop themselves losing money on the trade. And if they sell, wow. But if they're hanging on to it, nothing happens.
Very true. Very true. I love the fact that you telling that, because see, I would like to tell you why these hedge funds, I will tell you there is a psychological level behind it. So why this hedge funds has to just stop buying selling from here. See the 155,000. These people will always do some kind of reaction. So if you want to have a look this also, in your chart, probably the even number, like even number, say, this is not even, but okay, I will quickly, like if you see that 000 at the behind, say 500, 100, or 700, or 400, or whatever, what is this number tells us, this is these, they usually close the trade exactly in that psychological level.
Ah,
Okay, so also you can add this conference in your confirmation checklist, that okay, if market comes here again, I'm telling you, probably there will be some 150, 600. Okay, 1.5, like I don't know, like this is literally not there exactly, but it's, oh okay.
yeah, it's hard to get the line right on the mark, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean something like here, it's supposed to be this number, but I couldn't get it quite there. But market supposed to be coming here and buying again. But if it is not making that move from here, there must be some even number. Then market, the hedge funds, whatever the big financial institute, they're trying to buy from this level, means there must be some psychological level. So I think there is,
Yeah.
you can see.
An interesting thought then, whenever you're trading, if what you're trading is moving into a 00 or 000 zone, get
That's
ready to close just in
close.
case.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. That's, oh my God, that's very good. That's what, if you are already in profit, then so look, this one is exactly, this is what I wanted to show you. So this is like a 100. See, it bypassed through. If you see this number, it was, I can't see what is that. Okay, but it didn't come right there, but it 154.50. But this is a spike. This is called false move. That was a false move. That was just to trap the sellers, thinking that trap the sellers, all of people will sell from here, but market boom upward. See, but whenever market is making this move, so something like this, if you see, that's an even number. You can see 15500, like
Mm,
zero zero
mm.
zero. So why market has to come there, do something, come there, do something? That's another area of confluence you can also look at. Another area of confluence. That's what we talked about today. I think that is a very good session for me today. Dan, I hope you
Yes.
enjoyed. Yeah. Uh,
It's fascinating.
it is, it is, it is. Yeah.
Yes.
More you learn, more you see the market, you will understand. So
Yeah.
from now on, I would like you to check. I think you are doing very good in chart and taking those notes, which is very good. So just what I want you to do is from today onward, we have a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today is also day that you can also have a look the chart. If you see any opportunity, buy it. And you're making a note, which is a journal. It's fantastic. No one has done it. No one has shared anything like that before, which is very proud for myself that I want you to start to see some result from the demo account. Because if you stay in demo account for so long, then what will happen is you will lose that pattern of winning because you are in a demo account. You will not care about the money that even you lose it, and then the habits will form for the long term. Even when you start your real account, you will still continue to do the mistake that you did in the demo
Mhm.
account.
Well,
So
I'm actually seeing the accountant tomorrow. I haven't done my tax in a few years because
okay,
I haven't been earning much money. I'm
yeah,
65 years old and it's really hard to get a job. So I picked something up here, something up there. Uh,
yeah,
and I don't think I've earned enough money to pay tax. So I'm kind of
yeah,
hoping that I'll get a few $1,000s back, which will give me
100%.
it'll give me something to start with.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
absolutely. That's